Are you wondering how to go live on TikTok, how to activate a live? Well, do not worry, because this is what I'm going to show you in this quick guide. Before we are getting started, you have to keep in mind that you need at least 1,000 followers on TikTok in order to go live. And also you have to be at least 18 years old or even older, because otherwise TikTok will stop your live and there is a chance you might get blocked if you are under 18 and you go live. So that being said, how to get live on TikTok? Well, you have this plus on the bottom side of the screen as you'll normally post on TikTok. I didn't give the app the permissions yet, but however, if you scroll a little bit right, here you can locate the live section, but let me give the permission to the app first, because otherwise I'm not allowed to go live. So I'll go to the settings and I will have to give permission to use the camera and the microphone. Now the app should be fine. If I go here back and press on live, yes, I'm able to go live. I can add the title or something here of the live itself, and after I'm done I can press on go live. If you want to share, add some effects, maybe flip the camera, you will have all the settings right above. And going live on TikTok is a great way to keep in touch with your community. Usually people just love that, but I'm not going to press go live. So that being said, these are all the steps in order to go live on TikTok. Make sure you have at least 1,000 followers, because otherwise it will not work, and you have to be at least 18 years old or older. Don't forget to like the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section right under this video. Have a nice day.